Want to make flowers that never wilt? Your DIY adventure starts now. Hey everyone, welcome to Nomi DIY 987. Today, we're crafting beautiful paper roses. Grab your colored paper, red for petals, green for leaves, and let's get started. First, cut your paper into 4x4-inch squares. Draw a spiral from edge to center. Then, cut along the spiral line. Now, roll the spiral from the outside edge to the center. Let it loosen slightly to form a rose shape. Secure the base with glue and hold till set. Next, cut green paper into leaf shapes. Score or fold for texture. Attach floral wire or a pipe cleaner for the stem. Glue your leaves just below the flower. For a polished look, wrap the stem with green tape. Experiment with petal shapes, colors, and paper types. Display your masterpiece in a vase, on a wreath, or as gift decor. Like, share, and subscribe for more DIY fun.